Hey guys, it's Mike. Welcome to the YouTube channel, and hopefully we can grow and learn together about today's topic. Stop doing this with your money. If you're only investing what's left over at the end of the month, I hate to break it to you, but you're not building wealth. You're kind of delaying it. Because what you're really saying is, everything else in my life matters more than my future. And most people don't realize they're doing it. Let's go through the breakdown. Bills get paid first, spending comes next, and whatever's left, usually it's nothing. But wealthy people don't think like that. They flip the order. They invest first because they understand something most people ignore. If it's not intentional, it won't happen. And that's just a good statement for life in general. If you're not intentional with your actions, what are you doing? Look, wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about what you prioritize. And if your future is always last, it'll always stay out of reach. I hope this is thought-provoking to you guys. It's had me thinking a lot. I hope you guys have a great week, and that if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any thoughts to add, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Bye. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about what you prioritize. And if your future is always last, it'll always stay out of search. That's not what I meant to say. At all. No. Okay, let's do this again.